What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan and today we are doing another Bibbidi unboxing. If you guys don't know Bibbidi, Bibbidi is a Disney subscription service box that you can get so many different varying levels for price points, but you could also get things like Harry Potter boxes, other pop culture boxes, you name it. They have so much stuff over on their website, but this one in particular is a Disney subscription box. So if you want to see what I got this month from Bibbidi, stay tuned and let's hop into it.
I got go, running to better times.
Bibbidi is a Disney subscription service primarily, but they do have other pop culture boxes like Harry Potter, special limited edition ones, as well as Marvel, Star Wars, so many different kinds of boxes. It's so much fun to open every single month. They have different preferences that you can put in based on what you like as a fan of either Disney or any of the other pop culture boxes. They also have a wish list, so they have like different items up that they already have in their warehouse that you can just either immediately add to your box or you could put on your wish list, which you just put a little heart next to it. I'll have to do like a little video to show everyone what the wish list is like one month, but it is so exciting because I always go through the wish list to see what I want from the Bibbidi wish list for that month. So I hope that, fingers crossed, they always, like every month I've been getting something from my wish list, so I'm hoping that I got something really good in here. But along with the box, it came in a normal box, but in here they use these recyclable bags, which I love. I've talked about it like all the time that I love to use these kinds of bags, so I love that they're sustainable in terms of using them in everyday life. What else came in my box is my packing slip and my card. It said everybody's got a laugh in place. I've got this one the last couple of months. I really enjoy it. So when you open it, it has a little splash 1992 established there, and then my packing slip, which I'm not going to look at just yet because I want to be surprised with what I got in my box. But then they also tell you to tag at Bibbidi on Instagram just to see like what you got, because I sometimes will go through, like, if anyone else does this, sometimes I'll go through people's tagged pictures and I'm like, oh, that's really cool. Like, I just want to know. I just want to know what other people got. I'm so nosy. But this is such a fantastic piece of little art. I will sometimes cut these and you could frame them if you want and put them up. They're cute. They're so adorable, especially if you're a fan of Frontierland or Splash Mountain, but I digress. I've been like really excited to open this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. These are also one of like those cinch bags, so this feels like a backpack. I did put one backpack on my wish list, so I'm kind of hoping that it's that. I put Lotso. Yay! So I almost bought Lotso. I feel like I'm getting very red. I almost, oh my gosh, I could already smell him through the bag. He smells like strawberries. I have the Lotso plush, and it smells just like this. So if you have the Lotso plush from the parks, it smells just like this backpack. I'm not sniffing the plastic, I promise. I'm sniffing the bag. But yes, I put this on my wish list because by the time I had decided that I really wanted to buy it, it had sold out. So I feel like that always happens with Loungefly. So let's unbag this little guy here and I'll say hi to Lotso. So I was watching my friend Jessie over at Miss Cherry's channel unbag or unbox her bag because she also bought it, and the day that it released I was like, girl, I hope you got it because Lotso is her man. This is, oh my gosh, this bag is like even nicer than I thought it would be in, you know, in person. There's a little cardboardy thing back here. This bag is so soft. It's not like a fur, but it's definitely very soft. I don't know what to describe it as, but it's definitely not something that you probably want to get in the rain, but you could definitely take it to the park. Oh my god, this bag is so cute. So here he has a little strawberry zipper thing. What do you call these? Little embellishment. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, first of all, this just smells so good, but I did get a little sneak peek as to what the lining looks like. So Let me open this and remove some of the little insides, the brains of the bag. The side of this bag is absolutely stunning. Look at Lotso here. He's so cute. Everything is strawberries. He's in a little heart. This is just, oh my gosh, this bag is so stunning. The outside or the back of the bag says you've got a play date with Destiny. Oh my gosh. Wait, this is so cute. I have to say, I feel like Loungefly has been like really stepping up its game. Like every time they've been putting out a release, I'm like, resist. You know, has anyone ever been on the Minions ride in Universal and they're like, resist the banana, and then they don't, and that's me with the Loungefly bag. So resist the bag and the banana. But yes, this bag is absolutely stunning. Probably one of my favorite Loungefly bags now. I cannot wait to do some Disney bounding as Lotso, and oh, he's so soft and he smells so good and I can't handle it. So thank you so much to the Bibbidi girls for being able to snag this one for me. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so let's see what else is in this bag. I feel like, how could it get any better? This feels like a piece of clothing, like a shirt maybe? What is this? This is another item I put on my wish list. This is, wow, what a bag. I'm so excited. So you guys know that I talk about this a lot. If you follow my Instagram, which I'll leave right here, it's Mickey's Magic 28. I love to do the Run Disney races, right? And the Fairy Godrunners, we've been doing our summer series now. We started that, so exciting. But I do tend to talk about this pair of leggings in particular. I already own them. I think they're incredible. They are the Jumbo Bibbidi activewear. So on the back it says Jumbo. It is stunning. On the side they have these amazing pockets. Actually, it's picking up really well on camera to see the actual design of the pants, but in person, unless you're hitting the light, you could kind of see it kind of disappears. So it's not super over the top. It does have pockets on both sides of the legs, which is so imperative to me. I have worn the Jumbo pants, I think, in 3 virtual half marathons now. They are literally perfect for me. I can't recommend them enough. These specifically, like, I asked to get another pair because I really love them so much. The best part of these leggings in particular are for people that have shorter legs like me. I'm 5'2" and I have shorter legs. These are 7/8 length in 7/8 length. So they don't fully go down past your ankle. So for me, it's just the right spot to hit that instead of it bunching up at the end. Sometimes leggings will bunch up for me if they're not cropped at all. So these are literally the perfect pair of leggings for running or for exercising if you're interested in them. The Fairy Godrunners do have a discount code. They have been having them as part of the process for the wish list too, which is why I saw them on there. I'm like, yes, give me another pair. But these have like slight compression as well, so I think they're really perfect. Like, I can't speak more highly of these. Also for ladies, like, if you're like bending over or something, they're not see-through and they're just like really beautiful. I love theming my outfits to Disney. It just makes me feel more motivated to work out. So these are perfect. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these. I wear them like at least once a week, if not twice a week. I'm like, let's do the wash so I could wear them again. So now I'm so thankful I have a second pair because they get used all the time. This is the best box ever. Okay, I don't know what this is. It's like cylindrical. What are you? Oh, bath salts. Yes, from Basin. Okay, so another fun fact about me. Wow, this box is like literally perfect. I take baths all the time. Many of you guys know that I do have chronic migraine, and so taking baths with Epsom salt and bath salts are something that do help to mitigate some of my pain, to relieve some of my pain. But especially if you're working out or something, taking baths with Epsom salt is so helpful. Or if you have like anything that's swollen, or you have like stomach issues, like TMI, I know, but like it helps so much, Epsom salt. But just part of my goal for this year is to practice more relaxation, and so these will get used probably within the next month, probably. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take this out of the little pouch here, the little bag. This is a Disney Parks or Resorts exclusive because it's from Basin. Let's see. I've never been to Basin in person. I feel like that's a sin. Oh, it smells very, very fresh. So I cannot wait to use these. They will most definitely get used. I also just like don't want them to spill all over the place. So thank you so much, Bibbidi, for this incredible box. I am gonna go take a peek at my packing slip and I will get right back to you guys. Okay, so I finally opened up my packing slip. My box was curated with love by Amanda. So Amanda, thank you so much for this incredible box. I am obsessed with everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So my box is an Ultimate Magic box, which tends to have a price point of about $119 plus shipping. So this came with Be by Bibbidi Resort Collection Jumbo Animal Kingdom Lodge inspired leggings, which like I said, I can't speak more highly of. They are fantastic. They are so perfect for me. I love them. I love them, love them, love them. I wouldn't have gotten a second pair if I didn't love them. The second one is, oh, I forgot to say how much it was. So they retail for about $49.95. I do know that the Fairy Godrunners do have a discount code, which I will leave down in the description because I don't remember it off the top of my head. It might just be the Fairy Godrunners. But I will leave that in the description. Go check that out. I also have other coupon codes if you guys want them later. But the second item was the Lotso Sherpa. That's the material, Sherpa. It's so soft. If you guys go to the Joann's fabric aisle or fabric section, you can easily find Sherpa if you're interested in what that feels like. But that one retails for $75. That was one that I was already considering buying, and then it sold out. So thank you so much, Amanda. And then this last one is Disney Parks exclusive Wild Jasmine Basin Bath Salts, which retails for $5.99. I've never tried any of the Basin Bath Salts, which I'm very excited to try because, like I said, I frequently take baths, and I like them to be really relaxing and experience. I don't know if that's like too much information, but I'm all about the relaxation this year. All about it. I need it. So the total value of this box was $130.94. I can never say enough good things about Bibbidi. I've been using this subscription service for almost 3 years now, which is crazy. I've gotten it since their first month, and like I said, I can't say enough good things about Bibbidi. I always get things that I want, and Amanda, Becky, Mom, everyone at the Bibbidi crew are incredible. I love that it's a family business. And yeah, I'm like very overwhelmed with all the feels right now with all this amazing stuff. I cannot wait to wear my workout pants, to do some exercise, and to wear my Lotso bag because it's so cute. Thank you, Amanda, for this incredible box. If you guys are interested in trying out your own Bibbidi box, I do have 2 coupon codes. The first one is Mickey's Magic, which gets you 10% off of your first box, and a sparkle box, which is like stickers or magnets. It's about a $10 value, which is so exciting. So you get 10% off, like a free $10 box. And then I also have Mickey's Magic Bling, which is the Disney pin subscription box, which you guys know I love Disney pins. I love me some Disney pins. But that gets you 10% off of your bling box, which is so exciting. If you're getting into Disney pin trading, or if you are potentially looking for a new Disney pin box, check that one out because it's amazing. I've gotten it so many times and I just love Disney pins. I love Disney pin trading, and seriously, it's great for beginners who are just looking for authentic Disney pins at a discounted price. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, or if you got the Lotso bag. I'm kind of curious to see who was able to get their hands on it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.
And trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it.